Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. This is Rocky. So a couple things I want to start off with and we're going to get right into it. First off, I am well lit. Can you tell? I'm still trying to figure out the calibrations and the levels and all that good stuff, but my girlfriends, like I said, wanted me to have better YouTube experience for my viewers and got me some lights. So therefore I am starting with my lights and trying to see how they work out, and let me know your feedback, but I'm working it out. So today's video, I'm gonna try my best to make it as quick as possible, but I have a lot to share with you. So first off, everyone's gifts from my birthday inspired me to buy some things in the beauty section, beauty department. And you know, beauty is not my area, but there are some things that I do, like from the day-to-day basis for natural girly upkeep that I like to do. And I'm gonna get right into it. So you might remember that somebody gave me this rose lotion and body wash set. I love the rose lotion so much that I went and bought another one. Smells amazing, like legit. I put it on for the first time and didn't remember that I put it on or something, I don't know. And I was at work sniffing on everybody like, oh my gosh, something smells great around here. Something smells amazing. And I couldn't figure it out what it was, but it smelled great and I was in love with the smell. It wasn't until I got home and I was still smelling the smell and I was like, oh shoot, that's me, I smell great. And I realized that it was my first time wearing this lotion and it just smelled amazing. So I needed to buy another one. So thank you for that gift, thank you for that idea, and now I'm hooked. The next things are from Aveda. I know you guys are gonna get tired of hearing me say the word Aveda, the brand Aveda, whatever. But I got the lotion, the cherry almond lotion and body wash. So I went back and found out that they have a new product, which is a leave-in conditioner. So I picked up the leave-in conditioner, and then I also picked up more regular conditioner. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure you curly hair girls know what I'm talking about when I say this. I go through conditioner like it's water. So I'm pretty sure you guys can feel what I'm saying on this one, so that's why I got two. I have one in the shower already, but I know I'm going to go through that pretty quickly, so I bought a couple more so I don't have to worry about refilling, and that's what I got. And then they gave me a couple of little samples here. I have a travel size of cherry almond leave-in conditioner and a travel size of the cherry almond lotion, which was really nice. Also, this one's super special. You guys saw me sort of lusting over a lot of things over the past, you know, several months, because I'm like, oh, but I want this and I love that, but I'm not supposed to be shopping. And then when I stopped my shopping diet for my birthday month, I started to pick up all the things that I was loving. So one of those things was, can you see this? Probably can't. Yeah, you can. Joe Malone. I got the Joe Malone Red Roses perfume. So what I'll do, let me move over here so I can do the whole unboxing thing. So the woman in Nordstrom was named Varen. She was very nice, and she made this bag look so nice. I didn't even want to open it, I promise you. I'm like, I got home like, why did she make this look so pretty? It was all bowed up and pretty. And then on the inside, you know, we had the Joe Malone box and everything, and she had it all pretty with the bow and all that good stuff. And again, when I got it here, I'm like, oh, I don't want to open it. So then I unveiled it and I got my beautiful, beautiful package of red roses, which I don't know if you can kind of tell this because let me see, maybe I could put it against this, but it's kind of pink. Can you tell that? Maybe you can. I don't know. If I had something white, you could tell, but it's a very faint pink color, the perfume itself. I wore it for the first time today and I still have it on. I did not have to reapply. I mean, I left it at home, so I couldn't reapply, but I left this at home and it smells amazing, lasted all day. So I am not pissed off right now at the price tag. I was pissed when I bought it, but I'm not pissed off right now because it is worth the price. It lasted all day long. It smells like I just applied it. It's amazing. And I applied it at 6:30 this morning. It is now 7:45 p.m. and I still smell it like I just applied it. Then also they threw in a ton of, not a ton, but 4 samples. I was telling the woman the story of the fact that I'm like a cartoon character when it comes to my habits. When I find something that I like, I use that thing religiously over and over and over until it dies, and I'm going to keep on. So just the same reason why I still have a Yahoo email address, I still have a BlackBerry phone, I have been drinking the same non-fat chai latte from Argo Tea for the past 10 years every morning. So if I like what I buy, I am going to continue to buy and be a loyal customer. So she's like, oh, all you like is floral scents? I think that you would love some of these others. They're not floral, but you'll like them. And so she's really convinced that I'll like some other ones. So she gave me 4 other scents, and we'll see if I like them. She gave me English Pear and Freesia. She gave me Jasmine Sambac and Marigold. She gave me, she gave me Honeysuckle Divana Cologne, and she gave me Peony and Blush Suede. So we'll see if I like any of these. I have a strong feeling that I will not because I am so, oh, it smells good. Only because I'm so stubborn, but we'll see. I will try them. I mean, it's free. It's not like it costs me any money to get these samples, so I would try them, and maybe I'll fall in love with something new, so we'll see. But as it stands, I am a fan of the Jo Malone Red Roses, and I am happy with my purchase. The next one is a blow dryer. This is a Revlon, what is this? I don't even know, but it's some sort of Revlon dryer, the hair dryer that I've seen some curly haired girls use. And it's supposed to use less heat, less damage to your hair. It smooths the frizz while it's drying. It stretches your hair, dries it in half the time. I haven't blow dried my hair in over 2 years. I haven't put heat to my hair in about 3 years, 3 years. I don't even remember at this point. It has to be 3 years since I can't remember if it was 2 years. But I haven't put heat on my hair in so long. But I want to blow dry my hair. I want to see what it looks like. So I bought this. I thought that this would work, but I need a heat protectant product. So I don't know what to get yet. That's why I haven't even opened this thing yet. I need a heat protectant. Somebody recommended Oribe. Royal something or other. So I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna buy that. I haven't bought it yet because I saw a bottle of it it cost $70. That price tag is not jiving with me, but if it's the best on the market, then perhaps it's worth it. I don't know, but that's why I'm pretty reluctant about this whole thing that I've started now, because if the hair protecting stuff costs more than the friggin' hair dryer, I don't know about that. So we'll see. If you see me with flowing hair on one of these videos, just know that I took this one for a spin. The next thing that I got is I'm gonna open it with you. And this one I was actually not even expecting to buy. This came across on my Instagram feed, and I loved the pitch that they gave with this. So
the pitch that they gave is why pay hundreds of extra dollars to advertise for a brand for free when you can get the same quality and for hundreds of dollars less, and you can advertise and represent yourself.
So I like that idea. So we're opening this together for the first time. So this is a monogram belt. I told you guys I'm country. I am so vain and I am so country. But this is a monogram belt. It has a gold buckle and it is black leather. It is a very high quality leather. They warn or caution here on the slip that it will be a bit stiff because you know, it's new. It's brand new leather and high quality top grain leather. We shall see how I get along with this, but I thought that that was great advertisement. I love representing my own brand, right? We talk about this all the time, you know, loving yourself and all of that, and I do that very well with all of my things with my name and my initials on it and things that represent me, my brand, my philosophy, my all of that stuff, right? So I am pretty excited to take this one for a spin. Let's see how it fits. All right, it looks like I'm gonna have to maybe put a few more holes in it so that I can wear it higher on my body, but on the last hole I think I could wear this with jeans. But this is super cute. Look at this. This is so cute. I am happy with this. Yes. Yes to all of this. But yeah, I'm going to have to poke a few more holes in this so I can do some when I wear high-waisted things. Yeah. So I can do high-waisted. I am really pleased with this. Yeah, I'm going to have to put some holes maybe. Yeah. That is cute. Yes, yes, yes. So, yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm glad about this purchase, and hopefully this will be one of the last belts that I buy. I just have so many belts, but they all serve a purpose. But yeah, I am loving this purchase. So lastly, this is more of a confessional. And I explained to you that I was going to be doing one last haul. I was hoping that by this haul I would have the perfume, the custom made perfume from Waft, or Waft, which however you want to pronounce it. But I wanted to have that perfume for this haul, but it's not ready yet. So I will definitely talk about that in a later video, let you know what I think of it. But today, this is all I'm presenting, except for the fact that I did do another haul. Listen, before you even start. Now you tell me how you could have passed this up.
Check it. Urban Outfitters Surplus Store had an additional 40% off all sale items, all clearance items. As you know, the surplus store, the entire store is clearance. And I also had a coupon for an additional 20% off if I spent $50 or more for my birthday. That was my birthday coupon. That was still valid.
And so, listen, I went to take a peek just to look. I mean, I wasn't going to buy anything. And if I happened to see something I liked, then maybe pick it up. No self-control. So in addition to what I am wearing right now, this dress, I am in love with this dress. I bought a whole big ASS bag of clothes. And I'm going to spin through this so quick that it doesn't even matter whether you see it or not. I just need to get this off my spirit, off my chest, that I went and shopped, even though I said I wasn't going to. So let's get right into it. The first one is this super cute skirt that I can't seem to get together here. It's a plaid skirt. Look how cute these colors are, with pockets on the side, and it ties up around the waist. I am not going to try this stuff on because otherwise this video would be 2 hours long, and we don't need that in our lives. But imagine, just imagine, super cute. So that skirt was $2.40. I bought this sweater vest, and it has a little bit of like a gold shimmery thread going through that as well. I don't know if you can tell or see that, but this one was $1 with 40% off, which made it 60 cents, with another 20% off. Oh, I can't math right now, but that's, I don't know. Yes to this. I plan to wear this as a top with nothing underneath and all kinds of bottoms, like jeans or shorts or whatever, but it's gonna be cute. The next thing I bought, this is the most expensive thing in the lot here. Let's see, can you see it? But anyway, this skirt, even though it looks plaid, is actually sheer. And I absolutely fell in love with this skirt. But again, this was the most expensive item that I purchased. It was, I don't know how much, but $39 is what it is on this ticket, and then another $40 and another 20% off of that, so you math it up. But this was the most expensive item in the bunch. And then I got the cutoff shorts that I wanted. I just upsized this. I got a size 26 so that it could be a bit loose. Yeah, so this one was, I don't know, $4.60 or whatever after all the discounts. Not so bad. And then I am in love with this. I am absolutely in love with this. But I got this, I don't even know what to call this. It's like a jumper, but it is really long. It has buttons down the front, so you get to see sort of how the top is made, but it is midi length. Midi length, and it has pockets, but I love this sort of corn silk, almost pastel kind of a yellow, and I love these sort of tortoise shell buttons. Super cute. And this one was also like $2.40. No, I lied, $4.60. Next, I got this fatigue jacket or fatigue coat. I have never owned like proper army fatigue type clothes, but this one has, I need to look this up so I can figure out what patch this is before I walk around wearing this patch. But this has one patch, and I just realized as I was pulling this out of the bag that it appears to be missing a patch here on the breast, but I don't really care. I could stick my own patch here on the front. This is really nice, and it's able to cinch in at the waist. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, it can cinch in at the waist. I am really excited to have this jacket because I've never had one before. So this one was $4.60. So then the next thing I got was this super cute Fila cropped hoodie. So I love all of these little cute hearts on it. I am so excited to wear this one. And this one ended up being, I think, like $9.40 or something like that. But really, really cute. Has red on the inside of the hood. Yes. And then lastly, I ended up getting this winter sweater. I picked it up in a larger size. I was going for the oversized look. But I got this sweater here for winter. I picked green. I don't normally pick green. I'm starting to venture into the green arena. Green is not my natural color though. But this one was also $4.60, $4.80, whatever the math says on this one. So I wanted to go ahead and get this off of my spirit. I feel like I got a really good deal, and it was hard for me to pass up on all of this stuff. There was a lot more that I could have bought, and this was me showing restraint. Like legit me like walking around with my hands folded, being a very nice and good girl, but I still came away with a big old bag full of clothes. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for not judging me out loud. I'm sure you're judging me here, but that's okay. I feel safe. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. Look, listen, we're trying to grow together. Thank you so much for supporting me, but we need to grow. So go ahead and share this with your friends. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. If you have any questions about anything specifically, want to know where I shop, why I chose what I chose, or want to tell me that you hate what I chose, all good. Leave it in the comments below. Bye.